Hello, I'm Roger Bisbee from the Skill Builder channel, and I'm just getting to the stage where I'm going to start doing my finish coat of plastering. I've been putting the sand and cement on with the old Hawk and trowel, and I love to do that, and I'm going to carry on and do the plastering the same old traditional way. But of course you don't have to these days, because there are alternatives. You can do away with plastering altogether by taping and jointing boards, or you can use a rollable plaster, something you put on with a paint roller and then smooth off with a skimmer. And there's another thing that's very interesting, which we've covered a couple of times, and that is spray plastering. Now, this product from Knauf is one of several that are around, and it's widely used all over the continent. It probably is the market leader, to be honest, but I know there's a Polish one out there as well that some people like. Anyway, is this the future of plastering? It's used all over the continent, but it's been resisted by our traditional plasterers. For some reason, they haven't quite taken to it. Now, the spray machine isn't that expensive, and it isn't difficult to clean out. So what's the problem? Why is this resisted so much? It's not a gypsum product, it's an air-dried product. It's basically like jointing filler. It's an air-dried product, a polymer, and it's very, very thin to put on. You can put it on at 2 millimeters thick, but it is a multi-stage process. Rather than just skimming out a room and leaving the same day, you got to come back on it. Because of it air drying, you can't sand it off straight away. You've got to give it a light rub over. So there's a bit of dust involved, there's another visit, so that puts a lot of people off, especially when you're doing Mrs. Jones' living room or something like that. But if you're on a bigger site, if you're doing a house, for example, what's not to like about going around spraying all the rooms and then going back the next day giving a light rub over? So I'd like your opinion on this. Why has this product not taken off in the UK in the way that it might have done? Are you using it? Have you got any experience of it? Or do you just hate the idea of giving up your trusty Hawk and trowel? Let us know in the comments below. Let's have a little bit of a debate, because I'd like to know if you think this is the future of plastering.